How to make new line when typing. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. I have simply opened Word on my computer. Now, to make a new line, as you can see while you type, you'll find this kind of line. But if you want a new line, you can simply type something and press on Enter. After you press on Enter, new line will pop up at the bottom as you press on Enter. You can repeat the process as you want. And as you can see, all my letters are in new line. And this is how to make new line when typing. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.